Hi beauties, welcome back to another pink video and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Fabiola and I love creating all kinds of pink and girly videos. If that's something you like and are into, then go ahead, click the subscribe button down below, click the bell notification and follow me on my Instagram. All links and handles will be listed down below. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I got for Mother's Day. If you're a mom, I hope you had an incredible Mother's Day and hope it was blessed and full of lots of happiness and joy. I personally had so much fun on Mother's Day. I went out with my mom and my kids and we just went out for breakfast and then we went shopping. So I did get some few items and I can't wait to share with you what I got. So that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So let's start off with some Victoria's Secret. I am obsessed with all the new items that Victoria's Secret has been coming out with. And they came out with some new body sprays and body lotions. The mist that I got is the Victoria's Secret Coconut Milk Rose Feel Calm. And it's supposed to be a hair and body spray. Check out how cute this is. It is so pretty and honestly, I love this. I love the fact that they've been coming out with body sprays and hair sprays. So of course I had to also get the body lotion and it's from the same collection and check out the packaging, how cute it is. I also got the whipped body scrub and this body scrub right here looks like this. Look how pretty. It's so pretty, so pink. I haven't opened that one yet just because it's sealed. And the last thing I got from Victoria's Secret is these super cute boxers. Check them out. These were on sale for $15, like all the boxers. They did have like multiple colors and prints, but of course I had to get this one because it's pink and it has like lemons. And check out these little buttons right here. Look how cute they are. I also got one item, just one, from PopMart, and I actually ordered this online. I saw that it came back in stock and I ordered it right away because I had seen this a few weeks ago, but it's sold out. It is a crybaby little plush pouch and it's a small little pouch, but it's just so freaking cute. I had to get it, of course. I do have this little crybaby and I thought this would be perfect just to store like little things. You can even put like makeup products or something, but check it out. You just go like this and it closes. It's just simply adorable, and how could I say no to this? So I've been looking almost everywhere and calling so many stores looking for the Sony Angels. If you don't know what Sony Angels, I'm going to link some of them right up here so you can see what they are. They're literally just little figurines and they're so cute. They're like little babies, but they have different series. They have like the fruit series, they have the animal series, and people collect them just like the Labubus, and I've been dying to get my hands on at least one of them. So the one I got is the Sony Angel Animal Series version 3, and this is what they look like. And basically it's also like a little blind box. You can get any of these little Sony Angels right here. There's also like a surprise one. So I'm very excited. It's totally sealed. So we are going to unbox this together and hopefully I get a cute one. I really hope I get something that has the pink in it, but either way, I will love it. So let me get some scissors so I can open this up. I'm so excited. I've been waiting all day to do this video so that I can see which Sony Angel I got. Oh, this is pretty cool. So they also package it just like all the Labubus. This is like so much fun. Like I am so in love with all these like cool blind boxes. So it looks like this. There's nothing in there. Which one is it? I'm dying to see which one it is. I'm really hoping it's either like a bunny or I don't know, something cute. So let's go ahead. All right, I'm going to close my eyes. Oh my goodness, I got the little Frenchie. No way, this is so cute. He has little wings. So cute. I'm obsessed. I am so happy with this. He's so cute. I love it. I also got myself another blind box. This one here is called Nanci, and there are 6 different designs, and they're like little plush teddy bears that are so incredibly cute. Look how adorable they are. Like so pretty. And these are the teddy bears that you can get, and they're all so beautiful, like so pretty. And there's also a surprise one. I did already open it just because I got home and I could not wait. I could not. I tried. So I did unbox this. It also comes in a little plastic bag, just like all the other ones. Just like a plastic bag like this. So the teddy bear that I got is this one. Look how pretty it is. It is adorable. And I regretted so much not getting a second box. But I'm very happy with this one. It is absolutely incredibly cute. And it's so pretty. I think I'm just going to change this bow and make it pink. But look what it looks like. It's so pretty. This is like very nice like material. It's almost kind of like the Labubus. Like so pretty. And like she's like blowing a little bubble, dressed in this like little plush teddy bear. It's so soft. So in love with this one. And look, it has like little hearts on the toes. Like so cute. I'm obsessed. So pretty. Let's move on to my favorite store, Marshall's, of course. So we went to Marshall's and my son got me this really cute mug with cherries. It's so pretty and so pink. When he saw it, he's like, "Mommy, I want to get you this mug." It's so pretty. I love it. It's so beautiful. And I also picked up these little clips, and they're also cherries. I think this is like so trendy right now, like the whole like cherry and pink and bows. It's like such a trend right now. But these are such fun kitchen gadgets, and they're also magnets in the back, so you can attach them to your fridge and then you can just take the clips as needed. But I thought these were like so cute, and anything that's pink I love. These last 2 items from Marshall's, I am so excited for. These are some Juicy Couture wallets, and I got 2. They're 2 different ones. I got this one here. It's like so pretty and pink. It's velour and it has little rhinestones. Look how pretty that is. And what caught my eye is the zipper. It has like a little gem in here. Check that out. How pretty this is. And of course, it's that perfect shade of blush pink. I also got this other one, which I am in love with. And it's another Juicy Couture wallet. I haven't actually taken this out because this is actually a gift for my bestie. So hopefully if she watches this video, she already got her package. If not, then she's gonna know what I got her. But look how pretty this is. The moment I saw this, I had to pick it up. It's also velour. It's so soft, so pretty. Last but not least, we have some Sephora, because you can't go to the mall without going to Sephora. Like, it's a must, at least for me. So I went to Sephora because I wanted to get a new lipstick, and I ended up getting a lip liner, a lipstick, and a gloss. And the one that I got is from the brand Dior. I saw this on Instagram and I wrote the shade down, and I'm so glad I got this because it's the most beautiful and everyday lipstick and lip liner. It is called the Rouge Dior Contour in the shade 300 Nudestyle, and it's actually the shade that I am wearing. I have the lip liner, the lipstick, and the gloss. and it's literally an everyday beautiful nude color. This lip liner is huge. You're definitely getting your money's worth with this lip liner. It is literally a full-size lip liner, and it has a side right here with a little brush. And let me go ahead and swatch this color for you so you can see. Look how pretty that is. It is the most perfect and gorgeous nude color, and it is very long lasting. I literally wore this all day and it's intact. And it's also transfer proof. If you can see here, it's not going anywhere. Like, this is beautiful. I have to go back and get more shades. I also got the lipstick to go with it, and this one here is the Rouge Dior, and I got this in the shade 200 Nude Touch. This has got to be the most incredible lipstick that I own. It is velvet, and it's a matte velvet, but it's very, very creamy, and it glides on your lips so nice. Packaging is gorgeous. It's like a very heavy packaging. Look how pretty it is, from Dior. And let me go ahead and show you. Look how pretty that is. I also got a gloss to go with it, and this one is the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer in the shade 002 Opal. And this is such a pretty gloss, and I've been using it as a topper to go over the lipstick just to add a little bit of dimension. But check out this gorgeous gloss. So that was everything that I got for Mother's Day. I really hope you loved this little girly shopping haul. I love you all so, so much. I hope you have an incredible rest of your week, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.